today I wanted we discuss about introduction to examples of materials used for making catering premise equipment. Our today's objectives: state uses of iron. Next objective, list care and maintenance of iron. Next objective, explain finishes of iron. And next objective, state uses of zinc. And last objective, state care and maintenance of zinc. Then let's move to the first objective, introduction to iron. Introduction to iron. Introduction to iron. Let's start when we talk about introduction to examples of materials used for making catering premise equipment. The last lesson we discussed about, we had listed those materials. Now we are explaining them in details. Now when we talk about the iron, let's now discuss now about iron as materials used for making catering premise equipment in institution. Then iron is used to make nails, jigsaws, utensils, and also it is used in heavyweight equipment, and also enables good conduct of it evenly and retain most of it. Those equipment, it enables good conductor of it. For example, let's say when you place hot food there, now you will find that equipment, it will maintain. It will take, let's say, a few minutes to maintain the food hot or the temperature. And also next is rust readily when exposed to the most air. We are told when they are exposed readily in air, it can get rust. For example, let's say knives. For example of knives, when you leave those such kind of equipment inside the water, or let's say in somewhere whereby they are exposed in hot, let's say in a dew, now you find that equipment can get rust. Then let's move to the second objective, which say list care and maintenance of iron. Care and maintenance of iron. Care and maintenance of iron is used in clean, hot, soapy water. Used in hot, soapy water. When we talk about care and maintenance, how we can take care. So in order to ensure the thorough care is taken and maintenance, clean those equipment with clean, hot, soapy water, and then you dry them. Next, rinse thoroughly, dry completely, avoid excessive dry it. Then next objective, it says explain finishes of iron. The finishes of iron include bonderizing. It is chemical treatment given to make iron rust and resistance. So when we are told the finishing, the chemical treatment given to make iron rust and resistant. Then there is galvanized iron. It is coated with a layer of zinc to prevent contact with the air. Then let's move to the next objective, state uses of zinc. State uses of zinc is used to cover and protect metals that collide. Then there is qualities of zinc. It is very hard. It is gray in color. It does not tarnish. Then there is chromium. This is another type of materials, which is chromium. It is hard, shiny metal used to coat other metals, for example, steel, and it is used to make items like coffee percorators, toasters, kitchen knife, etc. The qualities of chromium: it is white and bright. It does not affected by atmospheric condition. It can be easily scratch attractive in appearance. Then there is care and maintenance. Wash in hot soapy water, rinse thoroughly, dry well, and polish using a soft cloth. Now that is the end of our today's lesson. If there is any question during lesson chat or lesson Zoom, you can be able to ask a question there. Have a good day.